my name is Dylan Carlson, and for ECE 376 for my term project, I built a Rubik's Cube timer. And so I made that using the ultrasonic sensor, and I have one interrupt running that, and then one interrupt capturing the falling edge of when the cube exits the range, and then one when it captures when it enters the range, so the rising edge. And so, as you can see on the LCD display, it shows ready when the cube's in range, and I take it out, and it shows that I'm solving the cube, and it goes back in, it'll display the time that it took to solve. And I have it not displaying the time constantly, because I found myself peeking at it in the middle of my solves instead of completely focusing on solving the cube. So that's the reason behind that. And so I also have it only going 20 centimeters, so that way I don't have to clear off my whole desk just to use this thing. And the reason why I built this is because I noticed there'd be kind of a time delay when I would use my space bar to start and stop my times for when I'd be solving. So this way it just takes that out. So now it's just like putting the cube down as instantly when I'm done to try to get as accurate of a time as possible. And the pick is accurate to 100 nanoseconds. So I'll do a quick demo solve. And speed cubers or solvers are typically get 15 seconds of inspection time. So I'll do the same thing here. Okay, so that took 11.35 seconds, and now I'll do the actual solve. So, sorry about my little groan there, but this was a 33.449574 second solve. So now to the interesting part, the statistics. So of my solves, out of 30, my average was a 27.13. And so here's all those, all the data there. And then so when I split them up in the range of 5 seconds, this is kind of almost the bell-shaped curve I got there. And then each attempt is also plotted right there with the average as the little dotted line. And then over here I used a t-test to determine my 90% confidence interval for my next solve. So I wanted to be able to answer the question like, how consistent are you with solving your Rubik's Cube? And so now I can say with 90% confidence that my next solve will be between 22 and 32.23 seconds. And unfortunately, we see that I can only be 90% confident that I'd be within that range, not 100% confident like I would want to be. So then I asked, what would be the probability I get a 15-second solve, and if I made no improvement whatsoever, it'd take me about another 5,000 solves, or 1 out of every 5,000 that I do. And then in my data, I actually did get my personal best of an 18.14, and so I thought, what is the probability of me getting a 20-second or lower? And it'd be a 1.22%. So yeah, that was my project.